Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your podcasting with Anchor, full guide step by step clearly. Open the Anchor app or navigate to the Anchor website. Log in with your credentials or create a new account if you haven't done so. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Click on the Settings option from the sidebar menu. Under Settings, scroll to the Privacy section. Here, you can set your podcast to public or private. For increased security, consider setting it to private initially. Next, go to the Podcast Info section. Here, input accurate details about your podcast, including your description and category. Make sure your cover art fits the required dimensions to maintain a professional appearance. Now, navigate to the Distribution section. Review the platforms where your podcast is automatically distributed. Ensure your podcast is only distributed to trusted platforms. In the Monetization section, review your options carefully. Make sure you're comfortable with any sponsorship opportunities presented. Next, go to the Episodes tab. For each episode, review the privacy settings. You can choose to publish each episode immediately or schedule them for later. Now, let's focus on securing your content. Under Settings, look for the Team option. Here, you can invite collaborators by entering their email addresses. Review permissions carefully to ensure only trusted collaborators are added. Return to your dashboard and click on Analytics. Review the data to gauge your audience engagement. Make adjustments to your content based on these insights. Finally, ensure your password is strong and unique. Consider enabling two-factor authentication if available. Your podcast is now secure and ready for distribution. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.